Example 3. The Latimer diagram of chlorine is as shown. So diagram is given to us. Predict whether chlorine disproportionates or not. So Cl2 and ClO minus means the state of Cl will be +1 state here now. This is -1 state given to us. So whether the chlorine disproportionates or not means simultaneously chlorine must undergo oxidation as well as reduction. Then we can say it disproportionates now. Means suppose a reaction of this one takes place, say Cl2 giving rise to Cl minus as well as say ClO minus. If at all this reaction takes place, then we can say that the chlorine disproportionates, because in the reaction chlorine becomes Cl minus, chlorine also becomes Cl here +1 charge now. Implies Cl is undergoing oxidation as well as reduction in this reaction. So if this reaction takes place, we can say the chlorine disproportionates. Now, when you observe this reaction, there are two half reactions now. One half reaction is Cl2 giving rise to Cl minus, which can be called as reduction half reaction. There is one more reaction in this one, which is Cl2 giving rise to ClO minus also. This can be called as oxidation half reaction. So there are two half reactions in this complete reaction now. So the sum of the potentials of these two half reactions, if it is a positive value, then we can say that overall reaction takes place now. If sum of the potentials of these two half reactions, if it is a positive value, then we can say the overall reaction also takes place now. So we need to add reduction potential of Cl2 giving rise to Cl minus and then oxidation potential of Cl2 giving rise to ClO minus. Both the values we need to take now. So let us see, the reduction potential of Cl to Cl minus value is plus given as 1.35. And what about oxidation potential of Cl2 becoming ClO minus? It is minus 0.4. It is a minus 0.4 you have now. So minus 0.4 here, if you see summation of these two is a positive value, it implies that definitely we can say that disproportionation takes place. So we have taken sum of the oxidation, sum of the reduction potential of this half reaction and then the oxidation potential of second half reaction, and we found that the value is positive value. Therefore we can say chlorine disproportionates, and these two values are obtained only from Latimer diagram itself now.